the congratulation messages are still popping up on the chat. Congratulations, congratulations. Yep. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you. When you are trading and you are seeing results, it really, really, really motivates you. I won't lie to you guys. When you are trading and you are seeing results, it really, really motivates you. So we'll discuss. Which one do you guys want us to discuss? Zero to financial freedom or small account? But before then, we'll talk about the weekly analysis before we talk about any other thing. Okay, before we talk about any other thing. So we'll talk about the weekly analysis. Why I give you guys room to make decision on which of them we'll discuss tonight. I wish this place can get feed up to 100 people, because right here, this number is so small. Okay, I wish we can get up to 100 people. Yeah, some people say managing small account. Yes, I think managing small account is more that it will benefit, but both of them is definitely going to benefit you guys. Both of them definitely going to benefit you guys. But the only thing is that managing small account will help you guys, give you guys more insights, how to make money. Because, like as I said, this property that I just secured, I told you guys, when you are seeing results from trading, it motivates you to trade more. All right, motivates you to do the more. This property that I just secured, part of the money I used was the money from my small account. And trust me, small account varies. Not because I mentioned small account, everybody's going to think your small account is 100 USD. No, small account varies. There are some people that small account is 500 USD. There are some people that small account is 1,000 USD. There are some people that small account is 2,000 USD. So small account varies, all right? It's just the way you see it. But the same principle applies. How I manage small account, the same principle applies to all of them. For example, there's a video, I don't know that video. That video was supposed to be art today, but some minor things keeping us from uploading that video. Let me share you guys. That video is supposed to be out on YouTube today. I don't know. Nobody can say anything on my screen, right? So like as I was saying, is the video will be out on YouTube probably latest tomorrow. It may see tomorrow. It will be out on YouTube on small account risk management. It's still part of risk management on small account. Okay. So like as I was saying, this small account varies. Okay. There's some people that small account is just 5 USD, 10 USD. But the way I'm going to do today, if that is where you guys want me to talk about, we'll start from 10 USD. Okay. 20 USD account, because I know everyone can afford 10 US dollar account. But before then, we'll talk about the weekly analysis. That is where I want to start from. Okay, the weekly analysis. Like as I told you guys, once you are seeing result from trading, it motivates you. It motivates you. Like right now, I can't wait to smash the next week price action. I can't wait. But you have to first of all accept the terms that you are not definitely going to win every week, right? No, let me not say every week, every day, but most of the week you are going to win most of the week. And the weeks, like that, part of what I posted this morning on Telegram, okay? We have different weekly candles. And if you want to prepare for the week, prepare with the weekly candle, all right? Like here, if you take a look at this weekly candle, let me unload all this thing, because this is where we want to start from. I will analyze Euro USD, I will analyze GBP USD, I will analyze DSY, dollar index, and then I'll take a look at gold, even though I don't trade gold. I know most of you guys, 80% of you guys trade SAE USD. You guys are making me to come back to SAE USD. I was trading SAE USD in my first 2 months of trading forex, but I left it because that period I didn't have enough knowledge of the market. So I believe so many accounts with SAE USD. Since then, I dislike SAE USD. And when ICT started mentoring us 2020, we were using Euro USD. And so since then, it has been Euro USD, GP USD. Now, if I ask you guys now, what is the direction of next week? Can anybody tell me with this current transaction, what is the direction of next week?
It's
Bullish.
bullish.
Okay, that's perfect. Perfect. Bullish. Now, this is how it works. Okay. When you know the direction of the week, all right? Like, for example, this current week we are entering now. When you know the direction of the week, first of all, start with your what's it called? Forest factory. Okay, let's take a look at forest factory. So today is September 7th. So we're going to load for next week, right? Now, you have to take note of all the data report that is coming out next week. For example, this Wednesday, CPI. Now, it depends on, let me check if it's only CPI that we have next week. Okay, only CPI and PPI. So on Monday, Tuesday, price action will be consolidating price action. This is how this thing work. If there's heavy major impact news that will be released that week, first days of the week will be consolidating. For example, NFP was released this week. Before NFP, in fact, prior to before that NFP, price had no specific direction because they were waiting for NFP. It doesn't necessarily go like that all week, but you know what I'm trying to say, guys. Most of the week now, this year that there is nothing going on economically in terms of with the US dollar, so nothing's going on. There's nothing driving the market. So dollar is still consolidating this year. Because of that, price they will always move this market with relating to economic data, economic data, economic data. So that's why if you have a major data release for the week, like for example, we have CPI this Wednesday, right? Is it Wednesday? Yeah. We have CPI this Wednesday. Now that we have CPI this Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, if you want to engage, you engage with minima. You know what you know how we get engage this thing, guys? Like two orders per day. So you'll be engaging with just one order, all right? You be splitting your daily risk into just one. Then you'll be engaging with just one order until Wednesday. Now, CPI does not necessarily mean you must engage it. We just engage it with just one order. One order means your risk is quarter, not half. Okay, quarter. For those of you all trading profit, then we're going to talk about. I told you guys to talk about small accounts if that's what you guys want me to talk about. Okay, so you engage with quarter this until all these whole events are over. All right. Then we continue again with normal risk, that side work. But if you have the mind, because there are some people that have, like, there's one man that have passed his profit account, the same profit that all of us started with that month of August. This man is engaging it with high momentum, and now he's done with his evaluation. Now that's why I told you guys I love that my funded FS one step mass. Now he's on the live account now. So any money he make right now is definitely going to be his money. You see, that's why I told you guys that don't believe all this general saying in the market, in the industry, that people are not profitable, right? And I'm even glad that most of you guys don't believe all those bullshit, because people are really profitable. People are really making money from this market. Okay, so if that man now gets his payout from his funded, my funded FS, how can you convince that kind of person that people don't make money from the market? Somebody that have witnessed it with his hand. Okay, that day that Joy made about how many percent? I think more than 2,000% from his small account. How can you convince that one that people don't make money? So if you don't know how to do it, doesn't necessarily mean others don't know how to do it. So this thing is bullish, and we have talked about the days. Okay, Monday, Tuesday we consolidate, but it's good we start on Tuesday, like with what we can see on price action. I think it's good we start on Tuesday, right? It's good we start engaging on Tuesday, because Monday there's nothing here on Monday, and all these things still has to do with the daily closure, all right? Like how Friday close. Now I'm going to do a special webinar on the closures, like weekly closures. We're going to discuss that. I've done it like I think about so many months back, but I'm still going to make reference to that. You see this price action is not ready. Remember I told you guys this is where we want price to get to before we start looking for either this other block, okay, this favor look at this other block, or the mean threshold of this other block, or this favor lookup before we move to the upside. So with this current price action now on Euro USD, it appears that we may come back to take out this side draw liquidity. Okay, you guys can see it. That is how this thing work. When you know the direction, you know the next thing is the target. Okay, like you guys said, like how you guys said that somebody said that GPU Euro USD is bullish on weekly time frame. The target is here. So the first thing is the direction. Next is target, direction, target. But this one now, we are seeing that though this one is not bearish yet, okay, because this market is just NFP, driven. So this is not bearish yet. If on Monday we go to see how Monday go to close, I'm expecting more. That's why you don't need to trade on Monday, because this is indecisive. Okay, there's no decision here. So if Monday close bullish, we aim for this high and keep aiming for these highs continuously until just continuously for the rest of the week. But for now, let's see if price is going to come to this place. So Monday, nobody should engage this price action until Monday. The same thing applies to, let me take a look at GBUSD. Okay, let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, GPUSD, let's say we should be aiming this favor lookup here, first favor lookup. Oh, I even drew it out, just that I hit the annotation. So There's a breaker block here that we want price to get to. Okay, this is very, very, very good. This breaker block, very, very good. If price could get to it, but Monday is going to play a very vital role. Okay, that's why I said I'm going to do a special webinar on closures. I've done something like that in the past, but I'm still going to repeat it. So if the way Friday close determine what you should be demanding on Monday, and whatever you are demanding on Monday definitely going to determine what you do for the rest of the week. Okay, Friday close determine what you do on Monday, and the price action of Monday determine what to do for the rest of the week. So this kind of price action we have now, we want Monday to close either bullish or bearish. If it close bearish, that means, let me use Euro USD again as example. So if it close bearish, all right, then we'll focus on this target, all right, this target. Then if it close bullish, then we'll focus on this target. Okay, that's how it works. Direction, next thing is target. Direction, next thing is target. Now you all know how we do entry. I shouldn't be talking about entry. In fact, from now onward, if I'm doing webinar on analysis, weekly analysis, we should be talking about entries. So I'm going to take a look at SAUSD because I know you all talk about SAUSD a lot. So many of you trade SAUSD, almost everybody. 80% trade SAUSD. I'm like, what is so special? Okay, SAUSD is coming for this high. And I'm sure this NFP dead with so many traders. So many traders will take a loss here. So many traders will take a loss here. That's how it is sometimes in the market, okay? So we are coming for this high, but nobody should be talking about bearish. If I was to trade gold, and I see a bearish setup, I will not take it until a bullish setup has showed up on that gold. Okay, then keep riding it. Gold is all-time high, all-time high. Okay, you remember, guys, we started looking for the buying opportunity when it was somewhere here, right? This place after this big push on the downside. That is when we started looking for the buying opportunity, and it has been accelerating to the upside, accelerating. Just that I don't like the trade gold. If not, I would have had my buy position here all this while to this place, do a swing trade on it. So SAUSD is coming to the upside. Now, let's talk about small account management. Of course, analysis is no longer a problem for. But do you guys still want us to talk about JPY pairs? I'm not trading JPY pair for now because it's not ready for bullish run. Oh, you can even see have all of them closed last week, bearish, bearish. So there's no point. There's no point at all to talk about JPY pairs. So which one do you guys agree on? Okay, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me check the comment section. Managing small account. Everybody keeps saying. No, the only one person talking about small account. So let's talk about. I want you all to talk. Should we talk about road to financial freedom or managing small account? Who is saying both? I can't do both. Small account, 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 small account. Is it that everybody have small accounts here? Road to financial freedom. Small accounts. Managing small accounts can lead to financial freedom. Let's talk about small accounts. Let me load up my second window, right? Someone said 10 minutes left. Yes, 10 minutes left. I don't know. I have not been able to upgrade this Zoom. And we didn't even talk about it this weekend. Me and my people, we have worked so much this period. It's not easy to hit 100K subscribers on YouTube. Sometimes I say, oh, God, let me just rest. But sometimes I guess, okay, let me just fire on. Come on, come on. We are at 12,000 subscribers now. Getting to, we have never crossed 15,000, then cross 20,000, then cross 100. God help me. Oh. So this is small account. I want you all to take your Bible, take your book, and start documenting what I want to show you guys now. When I started this webinar, I told you guys I got a property that is worth one GLE and one other car. I don't know. That car could be Toyota Camry. It could be Mercedes Benz. It could be whatever car it was. But that first GLE is there. Not useless GLE. I mean all this normal GLE that when it passes you, it's able to pass you. All those ones are as a result of trading result, like real life result. They like brokers pay you, profit pay you. Now, this is what I've been doing for years before I met you all. If you want to really, really make money from Forex, right? Remember how this thing goes. Discipline is number one key. Okay. Now, discipline, we have two main like this area, you can never skip it. These two areas. The third one is the discipline applied to three areas, okay? But the first and the last is like alpha and omega. You can't skip it, okay? Now, what is that part? That is this one here. Discipline to direction, and that is what I was talking about that webinar I did on Monday. No, the webinar I did on that was on Friday. On Friday, okay. Discipline to direction and discipline to risk management. If you can't now out of the two, risk management is more powerful, but both of them complement each other because one direction per day, one risk to the direction. Okay, if you are able to maintain these two consistently, no bridging, no bridge of gap, you are profitable. Consider yourself profitable. That is my key point. That is my strength as a profitable trader. These two things I just mentioned now: direction, risk management. Direction, risk management. And I have told you guys, there is no superhuman anywhere. Everybody has secret how this thing being done, okay? Because the moment you come into the market, they must tempt you. They must tempt you to go opposite direction. They must tempt you to open more trade. That is the war we face as a trader. That is the battle. Okay. Not everybody is strong enough to, not everybody is strong enough to handle that kind of battle, right? But what give us capacity, what differentiate us from other traders, like what the capacity I have more than you, more than other traders, is that I have built that stamina over the years that, okay, I can hold up to myself. Why this market show all this nonsense? They want to show, they want to tempt me. The capacity is already there to withstand whatever the market will represent. But many traders, they don't have that capacity. So the moment the market give them another opportunity for entry, they execute. Another opportunity for entry, they execute. They keep going at that, keep going at that, keep going at that until they blow their account. Okay. And the worst part of it is that when they are already on a drawdown, it triggers their emotion. So they can never be disciplined to whatever. The discipline does not work again anymore. Okay. So that's why you have to build that stamina. This too is what made me profitable. I didn't become profitable because I know all ICT concept. No, 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 no. There's nothing there. You can know. Somebody was asking Emmanuel today, what is the meaning of IFVG. You can know all those things: inversion favor gap, inverted favor gap, leaf favor gap, miss gap. You can know all these things and not. Do you know? Should I open my phone? I don't know why I didn't on this camera today, but if I open my phone and show you guys the DM I get daily, this my iPhone. Oh God, it doesn't rest. Bang, 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 bang. Consistently, people are showing up. Different countries. Oh, it was when I came on YouTube, I know that we have so many countries in this world. Different countries. People are now, all these people, they have learned from ICT. They have watched ICT videos. They have learned so many things, SMC, all those stuff. But those things don't pay. They don't pay. Quote me anywhere, including what all those stuff my mentor taught you guys last Saturday. Of course, we have to appreciate him. We have to appreciate all those stuff he gave to you. All those things are good concept, but they don't pay. They don't pay. No, 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 no. Those things don't pay. You see, that's why the truth that when God told Adam, if you say don't eat this apple, when you eat it, your eyes will open, and the truth of it, their eye will open. There's an apple you will eat in this industry, you will never pay attention to any mentor again, pay attention to anybody again, unless you are just that humble person, humble like me. I'm very, very loyal to my mentor. So I'm open to whatever I want to teach. But I know definitely whatever you teach me does not come from my profitability, will never come from the chart. It will never. It doesn't come from the chart. The only thing I need from the chart is know my direction, apply my risk, and stay disciplined to it. Once you are disciplined, you know why I've been dancing around this discipline, talking about all this and all this why? Because I don't just want to come and start diving into this place. That is the difference between YouTube video and mentorship. You see, the way we created this YouTube video now, you guys are going to watch it. It will be live tomorrow, or highest before 2 p.m. tomorrow to be live on YouTube, or 3 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. It will be live on YouTube or highest 4 p.m. It will be live on YouTube. Just watch it on YouTube and promise you, you're definitely going to watch that video on YouTube. Okay. Everyone here will go to watch that video on YouTube. But if you watch, you will see the difference. How will I have that time to be talking like who will I be talking to like this? Like if I'm talking like I need people, I need audience to talk to before I can talk about this kind of discipline. That's why webinar is good. Mentorship is good. You experience the webinar live. I need audience. So YouTube, we are talking to a specific individual because as you are watching it, you are watching it per individual. But now I'm talking to you as audience. You understand? And even if it's individual or no audience, there are some things that flow naturally. Like as I'm talking to you people, now, like if I'm doing webinar like this with you people, I can post it directly without editing it. But if I'm doing YouTube video, I will talk. They will edit, they will cut, they will edit because I don't even use teleprompter. So we need to we need to write the script because every YouTube video must be scripted. These are so you talk, we make mistake, you talk, we make mistake. But webinar, I can talk 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. There will never be any mistake because it's flowing naturally. Okay, like as I'm telling you guys, ladies and gentlemen, my student, my beloved student, you have to be solid with that discipline, And I have been talking about it over and over. My mentorship is built on discipline. That's why those of you, when you come the first time when you enroll, I see your behavior. I see what you do. I applaud you. But I know you have definitely come to this stage. You get what I'm saying? Oh, this thing want to turn off now. Less than a minute. Okay. I don't know. I'm still trying my best to see I can get a dollar credit card to do this stuff. They don't accept crypto. They only accept paper, and the paper they accept. If I want to pay with paper, I have to still credit my card. I have to use my ATM card to do paper, and they will never accept naira. It's just so annoying, guys.